Good morning everyone, I hope you're all well. Today I would like to share some of my empties with you. A box full here. So the first thing is a Wow Colour Wow Dream Cocktail. This is kale infused. Highly recommend this, I love this for my hair. It makes the brush go through it super easy. Really enjoyed using it, smells nice, the lot. The only thing is it's a bit expensive, I think it's about £20 a bottle. And this one had 200ml in it. So the next thing is the L'Oreal Reviver Extraordinary Oil. It's a conditioner and it's supposed to provide 2 times more care, instant nourishment. So it's for dry to very dry hair. Finished that, wouldn't repurchase that, didn't really like it. Now this one is a Paradox Volume Conditioner. I actually had the shampoo to go with this as well. I didn't rate it, to be honest. I thought it was okay, nothing special. Don't think I would repurchase this. The next item was the Bondi Sands mitt. Best mitt I've ever used, really like it. Only used it once so far. I really like the softness of it. So far so good. The next thing is the Velvet Spectrum Powder Puff. Love this. Love the colour of it. Super marbly effect. Beautiful. Really soft. Applies the powder nicely to my skin. I'm actually wanting to try it the liquid as well, so I would repurchase this. Regenerate toothpaste. Didn't like it. Didn't find it done anything for my teeth. Didn't think it whitened them. Would not buy again. And it's like £8 or £9 a tube. So the next item is the Philip Kingsley Elasticizer Booster. And it's a restoring conditioner. Didn't think much of that. Would maybe need a bigger bottle to see how it is. Next item is Le Gommage Visage Organic Face Scrub. Smelled quite funky. Did scrub my face. Wouldn't repurchase. Now most of these products, most of them I've got in the glossy box. Other ones I've bought myself. Brave New Hair 101. This is a hair booster, moisture and repair conditioner. Didn't rate it. Next item is Deep Spray Pillow Spray. Think it helped me sleep once. That was it. Wouldn't buy it again. And the Wow Colour Wow 1 Minute Transformation Cream. Loved the smell of this. Didn't think it done anything specific for my hair. So I don't think I would repurchase this one. So that's all my empties for this time. I hope you enjoyed it and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.